Hi, I'm Beyond Excel's AI spokesmodel. We are going to create an amortization schedule for a small business loan. We will start with traditional methods. The loan is for $10,000 at 5% APR for 48 months. Our first formula is for a period counter. Our next formula is for the opening balance. Our third formula calculates interest on the opening balance. Our fourth formula determines our monthly payment. Our sixth formula totals our closing balance, and our last formula calculates how much or our monthly payment is applied to the principal. We copy everything to the right, and we are done. Now let us look at 5G. If we enter a 5G function with no arguments, it displays its inline help, which shows us its arguments and other useful information. Let us see how we can create the same amortization schedule with 5G. The function's name is amortize. We type the name and select if from the drop-down. We then select each argument. That is all there is to it. One function in one cell calculates everything. We use a second 5G function to add labels to each line. We can synchronize this function to our model's timeline. To create a timeline, we use another 5G function. It can create a timeline for any start date, for any number of periods, and for months, quarters, or years. We can then add the timeline reference to our amortize function. Now, if we change the loan start date, amortize places it correctly in the timeline. If we change our timeline to quarters or years, amortize aggregates its figures appropriately. Amortize can handle any number of loans. We can link amortize to this table of loans. We select the principal column, APR column, terms column, start dates columns, and our timeline. We then add labels for each loan. Lastly, we total those amounts we will need for our financial statements. And at any time we can add more loans to our table, and those three formulas add the new loans without us having to do anything at all. Just 3 formulas in 3 cells calculates every loan for every month.